flapjacks are amazing for breakfast, especially around the holidays when you have people over, friends, family. So you can whip this up really quickly. Into a bowl, you're going to combine 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. I'm just using pink Himalayan salt. And just give that a mix. Just mix it all together so it's nice and combined. Get a separate bowl, and in the bowl you're going to pour in 3/4 cups, which is 180 ml of melted peanut butter. Add in 180 ml of milk, which is about 3/4 cups of milk. 1 mashed up banana. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Throw in 2 eggs. Just whisk that all together. Okay, mix this all in nicely. I've used chunky peanut butter with nuts. You don't have to use that, you could use smooth peanut butter, but I prefer the chunky, so I'm using chunky today. Okay, now I've got my bowl that has the dry ingredients in, so now I'm just going to pour in the wet ingredients. Just pour that into your dry ingredients, just pour that in. You're just going to whisk this all together to form a nice flapjack batter. Batter is ready. We call these flapjacks the little miniature pancakes. You call it, if you're in America, you'll call it pancakes. So let's move on to the stove. Get yourself a frying pan over medium heat and add some oil. Fry spoonfuls of your batter until bubbles appear and flip and fry until golden on both sides. And repeat that with the remainder of the batter. Butter and banana flapjacks. I've added some bananas and some cinnamon, and these taste amazing. You don't need to add syrup because it has sugar and peanut butter. You can just eat them as they are. They're really, really good, and I hope you give it a try. If you do, leave a comment down below, follow us on social media, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.
What we